2026 Tesla Model 3 takes everything that worked from the previous generation and refines it further, offering better comfort, quieter cabin acoustics, and more range across most trims. The long-range rear-wheel drive version now delivers up to 363 miles of estimated range, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive gets 346 miles, plenty for daily driving and road trips alike. The new performance trim is a standout, packing 510 horsepower and hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds, thanks to upgraded brakes, adaptive suspension, and sportier styling. The design remains sleek and modern, with improved build quality and a slightly more premium feel. Inside, Tesla has doubled down on minimalism. The main 15.4-inch touchscreen still controls nearly everything, but new additions like ventilated front seats and a rear 8-inch display make the cabin feel more tech-forward. While the layout looks clean, the lack of physical controls and the oddly placed turn signal buttons may annoy some drivers. Real-world range tends to fall a bit short of Tesla's estimates, but fast charging, adding about 118 miles in 15 minutes, helps make up for it. Overall, the Model 3 continues to be a top pick in the EV market, though growing competition means Tesla can't rest on its laurels.